What's up everybody, welcome back to another video on Joe Vlogs TV. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a video of a food review that I've done of Goodmayes fish and chip shop. So make sure you subscribe, like and comment for more. Peace. In this scene, I'm just wrapping the food and drink that I got, and I also got some. And also, I rated the appearance of it 9 out of 10 because I think it was decent.
Shout out to Goodmayes fish and chips. Here's my first bite of it.
I was saying, you can follow for Goodmayes fish and chips on Instagram as well as Facebook. Yeah, I had to speed this bit up because it was kind of long. And it was kind of loud as well.
Yeah, you maybe wonder why I'm using two different cutlery. It's because I had to get one from my Swiss kitchen system. Because they didn't give me a fork and knife. One more again.